What's up, people? It's another self-care Saturday. Welcome to another self-care Saturday vlog. It's on the to-do list today. It's nail appointment. Then I'm gonna pick up some packages. Then we will be heading over to my lash appointment, and then we will be heading over to my hair appointment at 3. I don't know what else is gonna be in this vlog, so whatever I wanna see as usual. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Shan, one half of TG and Shan. If you're new, subscribe. Welcome to the family. If you're OG subscriber, welcome back. And let's get started with Self-Care Saturdays. So we're on our way to my, well, me actually go buy some gas first for the car, so make sure say we can go everywhere we need for go today without having to stop to get gas, because I know the gas station them are full. It's month end Saturday, and so everywhere is gonna be full, and I'm not in the mood for no type of waiting today. So come with me to get all dolled up. Woo! So guys, I just reach at nail tech. Well, I'm gonna reach here. I'm gonna reach outside and I go walk out part our place, you know. I miss so hot. Just a walkway 14. Let's see, walkway 15, 16. So 14 must be right there.
Stop playing with them, Riot. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like
Guys, I just done the nails. These are what they're looking like. I don't know right now zoom, but yellow Frenchies. And it's so typical of me not to book my toes. I only booked for my nails, and so she fully booked for today. I don't know if she said she could try to squeeze me in later. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to come back, but I never get to do my toes. I do have a little space in between my lash appointment and my hair appointment, so I don't know if the lash girl I got done in time. I can squeeze and try to find one mate do nail tech to see if she can do my toe them, because the way them look right now, it's they're not giving. And so anyways, now at 10:45, I do have my lash appointment at 12, and I have to pick up some packages, so may I try see if we can go in a Kingston and come back a Portmore by 12 o'clock for my lash appointment. I don't think we can do it. Let's see. I'm gonna try 10:45. Me in a Portmore now for reaching a Kingston, pick up some package, reach back in a Portmore by 12 for my lash appointment. Can she do it? Let's see. So guys, I think it's like 11:05 now. I basically reached the place. So 15 minutes from Kingston to Portmore. You can't beat that. Do this and beat me. One can't beat me. So when I say I'm gonna pick up packages in Kingston, this is one of my couriers, which is Paracels. Downtown Kingston Mall. So guys, this is shop 28, Paracels. So guys, it's 11:10 now, So 5 minutes in, five minutes in and out at the place. I'm thirsty and a little bit hungry. I did eat this morning, but I feel like I can transfer 10 minutes, grab some water, grab something to eat, and then I can. Why people have watched people have vlog? Oh my god, me in my car at that. Anyways, I can grab something to eat, grab a water, and head over to Portmore. Reach by 12. If it take me 15 minutes to reach over, I feel like it probably take me 25 minutes to go back over. Reach by 12. We can do it. One thing. Let's see. So guys, for those who don't know, this is Bascho WOW. You can get the same stuff that I get at Bascho here, as well as food items, and then some actual food, soup, fritters, and them stuff there. So let's see what I got. And some water. I got a pizza, pepperoni, and a earhead, and a soda, and a water. And it's 11:23, half an hour to get back. Let's try this shit. I don't know, but let's see if we can make it back in time. All right, guys, I made it. It's 11:44. 15 16 minutes to spare for my appointment, but may I go upstairs because no one should start early. So hopefully she start early and I can cut out a year or so. Let's see if I can get my toes done and then make it in time for my ear appointment. Oh, and I'm going back to my lash girl, my regular lash girl, Lash by Jen. Only know say the last person was a disaster. I'm even gonna rehash that, but if you never watch my last vlog, go and go watch it now. The time is so hot. If you never watched my last vlog, go and go watch it now. You'll know what I talk about. But Lashes by Jen, baby, she eats every time. So this is the before look. Get into it. There's nothing there, but this is the finished look. And these are wispy hybrids, guys. These are like get into it. I'm in love, I'm obsessed, I don't even feel bad about it. Hey. So it's like 1:26 or 1:27 now. My hair appointment isn't until 3, so I'm gonna see if I can find some nail technician who probably not full right now, who can maybe squeeze me in and do my toes them, and yeah, so let's see. So I found someone. She was cheap and she did what she did. I didn't like it really and truly, but I worked with it. It never lasted any time. 0 out of 10 would not recommend, but we move. So guys, I just done the toes. It's 2:43 and basically on time. So basically on time to get my hair done, so yeah. I feel like mega like the straight look, you know. The straight look. Little curl, little curl. So for real, it's giving everything it's supposed to give. Like, she did that on Goddess installs, she did that, and with the lashes, baby, self-care Saturdays, success, baby, success. The only thing I never like about today is my toenails. My toenails was not, they're not giving what they're supposed to give, but when you're last minute, that's what you get. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I think we're at the end of self-care Saturdays, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell me if you don't like the vlog. Tell me what else you want to see. But see y'all in the next one. Bye.